So, hi everyone. So, we're going to visit the unit 726. And it's going, close mo natin to yun. Bigyan kita ng tour. And this is the unit. One bedroom, 38 square meters. So, let's start here on the left. And the toilet and bath on your left. Yan. Toilet and bath. And then on our right, andito naman yung kitchen natin. Kitchen area. We have the cabinets here. And then, the granite countertop. Yeah. Then, lahat tayo dito. So, this is gonna be your living area. Meron tayong access sa balcony. Ayan. So, access na sa balcony. This unit is facing amenities. Ayan. As you can see, ito tayo sa 7th floor. And then, this is the amenity over there. So, we have leisure pool, lap pool, and then the kiddie pool. Meron din tayong elevated garden over there. So, ayan. So, this building is the Amina building ng Allegra Garden Place. And then the rest, Prisma. Ayan. So, close ko to. Next, and we're going to bedroom. The bedroom, man. So spacious. Ayan. So, dito sa bedroom, meron din tayong access ng balcony. So, separated siya. So, have your privacy. Ito, yung division niya. And then, same then, facing amenities. And so, this is going to be your view from the balcony. So spacious. So, this is 38 square meter and this unit is still available. If you guys interested, let me know. Ayan. And kung gusto mo yung unit na to, just give me a thumbs up and message mo ako. I'll see you around. Bye!